Reporting Assessment Summary. Welcome back. In this video, we will provide an overview of the Assessment Summary Report as part of our Cognitive Integrity Management User Guide video series. Before we get into the report, please note that this report can only be assessed within the Assessment Planning module under the Reports tab. Also, you must ensure that the segment you wish to review is selected within the Assessment Planning module. The purpose of this report is to display all of the feature details of the ILI files loaded to the particular system. As you may recall, this report should also be referenced to ensure that the alias classification is done correctly. We briefly reviewed the report in the Assessment Planning module video. The key benefit of the report is that the user is provided an overview of the entire pipeline system and a snapshot of all the anomalies identified over the historical timeline of the ILI files loaded. Okay, now we are ready to jump into the report. Under the General tab, which can be found at the bottom of the report, you will see key information about the pipeline system, including the number of segments, number of assessments, and the total length of the system. You are able to filter by year by simply clicking on the year along the ribbon at the top under the General tab. The data that is covered includes the assessment name, date, report name, segment name, tool vendor, and tool type. To dig further into the details, simply click on the Assessment Summary tab. Here, you will see an overview of all the assessments loaded under the pipeline system that has been selected. The first table you will see provides a summary of all the assessments tied to the pipeline system. You can filter these down by clicking on the Assessment Name dropdown and click on the assessments you would like to view. The next data set we are going to look at is the Orientation Offset by Odometer chart. This displays all the ILIs loaded and shows the offset values based on orientation. Here, you can see outliers that are outside of the parameters set. We are now going to look at the Features Detected table, which displays all the alias type classification that the classification algorithm within SIM has identified in order to normalize the data. As you can see, SIM allows you to see the entire history of all assessments loaded on a single screen with a few clicks of some buttons. Finally, we are going to look at the Anomalies Detected table at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can see the key anomalies that have been classified across all assessments loaded. You are able to export each of the tables, such as Features Detected tables, by hovering on the top corner of the table and clicking on the Report Data option. We have now covered a quick overview of the Assessment Summary Report in Cognitive Integrity Management. Please feel free to send any questions related to this video to support@onebridgesolutions.com. Please refer to the next video for more reporting tutorials.